Hi, let's talk about conversational user experiences. One of the key ingredients of a conversation is the back and forth exchange. We call that a multi-turn dialogue. Here's a quick example of a multi-turn dialogue. Alexa, open Plan My Trip.
Where are you planning to go?
I'm going to Portland.
What city are you leaving from?
Seattle.
What date are you flying out?
Next Thursday.
This will be fun. You'll go from Seattle to Portland on April 27th, 2017.
Okay, that was a very simplistic example. Let's think about what you just heard there. We had multiple turns where I said something and Alexa said something. Alexa was also working to get several required questions answered. The to city, the from city, and the travel date. We call those slots. Then, once all those were answered, the skill developer took all those responses and came back with a result. In this case, they just said, it sounds like a fun trip, and they would say where we were going and where we're coming from. You could do more, like query a database, call an API, etc. Now, you can build these natural dialogues with a new skill editor feature in the developer console. Let's say you have a slot like to city that you really want to require. In the skill editor, you set that as a required slot, and then you provide two things. First, a set of prompts like, what city are you going to? So that Alexa knows how to ask for those slots. And two, a set of utterances. These are things that the customer might say like, going to Portland, or I'll visit Portland, or simply Portland. So you can set which slots are required as well as which slots or intents need confirmation. With that, you can just focus on building the voice experience and delegate the slot gathering and the air conditioning handling to Alexa. Let me give you one more example. Alexa, open Plan My Trip.
Where are you planning to go?
I'm going to Portland on August the 5th.
Where are you starting your trip?
Seattle.
This will be fun. You'll go from Seattle to Portland on August 5th, 2017.
Okay, so that was a little more subtle. See what just happened? I over-answered. I said, I'm going to Portland next Saturday. And as a developer, I didn't have to do anything at all to handle that information. It's because with Dialog directives, we can delegate the work to Alexa. She went through and figured out what had already been answered, like where I'm going and the date, and she realized the only thing that I hadn't provided was the city I'm leaving from. And she asked for it. Thanks. Let's continue the conversation on Twitter at AlexaDevs or at Paul Cutzinger. I'd love to hear what you build.